Hey guys, 2022 is over, so that's a wrap. Thank you for everybody that's watched the channel. I originally started this channel this year to help out my newer drivers for training and helping them along with stuff and products that they're not familiar with. And at the end of the year, and somehow I got over 100 people subscribe to the channel, so I guess thank you. And thank you to the people that comment and have any advice or see anything that I can improve. First of all, I'm always looking for better ways to do things. I like the job to go faster, get done home sooner, so I can work on other business things I have or have more free time. So as always, I say, you know, give me a comment if there's something you see that can help me out and potentially then help out my new guys do the job better. So thank you again, everybody that subscribed. Thanks to all my guys this year for working hard, and it's been an interesting year for the trucking business. It's got a little tougher. Prices of everything has gone up. The rentals on our Class A's, the insurance, and obviously diesel prices this last year were not friendly. So it's been a tough year, and still this year we're still in a hiring hangover from COVID. It's still been very challenging to hire ever since COVID happened. So I'm just kind of glad the year's over. Hopefully it gets better next year. I'm gonna keep the channel going, keep trying to train new guys. I think this last year, I think I trained somewhere about 10 new guys in probably 3 or 4 different markets. So one guy from Arizona, and then pretty much California's needed the most help this year. I didn't even get back to Vegas, back home this year. They all the guys there have been running over a year solid and getting it done. So yeah, that's pretty much this year. I didn't even do a rapid response deployment this year. Normally I go to Ohio in the spring, so that will be coming up in potentially March, April, and May of 2023 if I go this year. So I guess we will find out soon, but that's it for the year. Thank you, everyone, and have a safe new year. All you truckers and other drivers, just please don't drink and drive. You know, there's no reason to with Uber and Lyft and all that out there to even risk it. It's stupid. So be safe, happy New Year's, and take care.